Welcome to the Department of Library Services. Keyword searching. In order to effectively search in a database, you will need to use keywords. Keywords are one or more words that portray something fundamental about your chosen topic. Keyword searching can be achieved in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Write down your topic or research question. By writing it down, you can easily review your topic to ensure the search results are applicable to your research question. For example, what is the impact of mental illness on females in the work environment? Step 2. Identify the main ideas within your research question. For example, in our research question, the main ideas are mental illness, females, and work environment. Step 3. Brainstorm related keywords. These synonyms and other keywords can be used as search keywords and can get you more varied results. For example, work environment, workplace, and job are all related keywords. Step 4. Mix and match keywords within the library database. The related terms, keywords, and synonyms can then be combined in different ways and sequences to get you a variety of results. For example, workplace, gender, females, and mental illness. It is uncommon that your first search will bring back results that are perfectly suited to your topic. So it might take multiple searches to realize which keywords are best suited to find the results you are looking for. For example, a research question could be researching the effect of animals on mental health in South Africa. Our keywords would then be mental health, animals, and South Africa. If we expand our keywords, we get mental illness, mental disorders, mental conditions, and mental disability, animals, pets, dogs, and cats, South Africa, Gauteng, Western Cape. Mix and match keywords such as mental illness, dogs, animals, South Africa, and mental health. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use keywords in your searching. Thank you for using the Department of Library Services.